If you're experiencing billing issues on Epic Games, follow these steps to resolve them effectively. This guide will help you navigate through common problems and find solutions. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your purchase history. Log into your Epic Games account and check your purchase history for any discrepancies. This can help you identify any unauthorized transactions or mistakes in your recent purchases. Step 3. Contact Epic Games support. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Epic Games support. Provide them with detailed information about the problem, including any error messages and your account details. Step 4. Monitor your email for updates. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email for any updates or responses from Epic Games. They may require additional information or provide instructions on how to resolve the issue. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with Epic Games support. Persistence can help ensure your issue is addressed promptly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems you encounter on Epic Games. If issues persist, consider seeking assistance from community forums or user groups for additional support.